Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. This is Viprajesh. In this video today, I would like to talk about Kia's new Carens MPV, which is expected to be unveiled globally on the December 16th. Kia Motors has been developing a 7-seater MPV to rival the likes of the Mahindra Marazzo and the Maruti Suzuki XL6. The official exterior and interior sketches have now been revealed of this Kia Carens MPV ahead of the December 16th unveil. This all-new 7-seater MPV will be based on the same platform as the Kia Sonet compact SUV and is expected to carry forward a lot of features from the compact SUV. First of all, in terms of exterior design, the new Carens will carry forward the same signature design elements seen on the Kia Sonet, including the signature tiger nose grille, the SUV-like upright stance, and an upright design for the A-pillar. That said, the front fascia will still feature a lot of new design elements, including unique signature LED DRLs, unique design LED turn indicators, along with the new front grille and a more aggressive front air dam. The Kia Carens will also feature a unique split LED headlamp setup similar to some global models. Despite being a 7-seater MPV, the Kia Carens will offer all-round body cladding with large wheel arches, housing the 17-inch dual-tone alloy wheels. Going by the spy shots, the new Kia Carens will also get all-round disc brakes and large silver-finished roof rails. The rear design of the Kia Carens will also be very unique, featuring long wraparound tail lamps, which are connected by a light bar running across the width of the tailgate. The rear bumper also gets an aggressive design, maintaining the overall SUV-like look. Coming to the interior, the Carens will also feature an all-new dashboard design, which was already leaked online a couple weeks ago. The Carens will feature a large dashboard that extends a bit further towards the front windshield, and the dashboard itself will have a wraparound design with a slightly taller and upright upper part. Going by the leaked images, the top spec variants of the Carens will get a fully digital color TFT instrument cluster, with the center console likely to get a large 10.2-inch touchscreen system. The lower spec variants are likely to get an 8-inch touchscreen system though, with automatic climate control likely to be available from the mid-spec variant itself. The steering wheel design though is likely to be exactly the same as the one seen on the Kia Sonet. That said, the AC vents seem to be much more sleeker, connected by a chrome strip running across the width of the dashboard. In terms of equipment, the Kia Carens is likely to feature all the features already seen on the Kia Sonet, including ventilated seats, cruise control, automatic headlamps, electric sunroof, wireless charging facility, leather seats, and smart key access with push-button start. The Kia Carens is also likely to offer 6 or 7-seat options, with multiple AC vents expected to be available as standard from the base level variant itself. While the Maruti Suzuki XL6 is available only with a 1.5-litre petrol engine and the Mahindra Marazzo being available only with a 1.5-litre diesel engine, the Kia Carens will compete against both of them, offering both a 1.5-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine and a 1.5-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. While a 6-speed manual transmission is expected to be standard, the petrol engine is likely to offer a CVT automatic transmission, while the diesel engine will also be offered with a torque converter automatic. In terms of pricing, the new Kia Carens is likely to be priced directly against the Mahindra Marazzo MPV, offering a lot more features and significantly more engine and transmission options. While this new Kia Carens will be unveiled on the 16th of December, it is most likely to go on sale early next year by the month of February. Stay tuned for further updates regarding the all-new Kia 7-seat MPV, the Carens. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.